Assalamualaikum friends. Today I will discuss how to fix extend volume option is disabled. Click search, then type Explorer. Click File Explorer. Right click this PC. Select Manage. Click Disk Management. I will add this unallocated space to C drive. Right click C drive. You can see that the extend volume option is not showing. Now I will solve the problem. Download the software by clicking on the link in this video description box. Let's install the software. Click OK. Click Skip. Click Install now. Click Enjoy now. Right click unallocated space. Select Resize or Move. Select the drive to which you want to send the unallocated space. Click OK. Unallocated space is nicely transferred to C drive. Select Yes. Click Proceed. Click OK and your computer will restart. Thanks for watching.